How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Patriot DIY channel and the golf cart upgrade and accessory series. Today we're going to be installing this onboard charger from Form. All right, guys, now this is the type of golf cart charger that we're used to. It's big, it's bulky, and it's inconvenient. Most of the time we're going to keep a charger like this in a stationary location where every time we need to charge our golf cart, we have to drive back to that spot to charge it. Another option would just be to store this somewhere on your golf cart, but it's big, it's bulky, it's got long cords, and there's really not a great way to store this on your golf cart. A much better solution is an onboard charger like this one from Form Charge. A charger like this is quite a bit smaller, so it can be easily mounted somewhere in your battery compartment. It's also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged no matter what type of driving you're doing. And it's going to attach to a plug that we're going to be mounting on the golf cart, so all you need to charge this is an extension cord. That way you're not limited to have to go back to wherever your charger is stored to charge your golf cart. Anywhere there is a power outlet, you can just plug right in. Now they do make this for both lead acid and lithium batteries. This is the lithium charger. So we're going to be taking a closer look at each of these products that we're installing today. I will have links to those in the description below, and then I'm going to show you how to install it. But before we do that, if you haven't done it yet, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get in here and install the onboard golf cart charger from Form Charge. All right, guys, let's take a look at what we have here. This is our 48 volt, 15 amp golf cart charger from Form Charge. This is the lithium golf cart version. This thing is very small compared to other golf cart chargers. It measures just 9 inches by 5 inches. You can see it has these large fins on top to help dissipate some heat, along with a fan. And this does have an IP67 waterproof rating, so you're not going to have to worry about this getting damaged if you're riding in wet conditions and it gets splashed from underneath your golf cart. This is a smart charger, so once your golf cart is fully charged, it will go into trickle mode and just maintain the batteries, so you don't have to worry about overcharging and things like that. You can see on one end we have our positive and negative wires that are going to go back to your battery on your golf cart. And then on the other end, you just have a standard plug. Now the way we're going to do this is we're also going to be replacing our regular charge port on the golf cart with this no-code plug. So this is going to be mounted just under the seat in the factory charge port location. The cable runs into the battery compartment where the charger plugs in. That way, anytime you need a charge, no matter where you are, you can just plug any standard extension cord into here and that charger will kick on. All right, guys, so here's our stock charging port. If we look at the back side of this, you can see we have a red and black wire that goes to the battery. Then we also have this connector here. Now that connector runs up to our forward and reverse. And the way this works is when the golf cart is charging, as a safety feature, it prevents the golf cart from moving. Now my original plan was to just take this out and replace it with the no-code plug. Problem is, when you disconnect this connector, the golf cart won't go anymore. But what I've decided is there's no reason to remove the stock charger at all. There's plenty of room down underneath here that I could just mount my no-code plug right here underneath the stock charger. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave the stock charger intact, and I'm just gonna mount my no-code plug here. That way I have two different charging options. So I found this mounting plate for the no-code plug. This is not necessary. You can mount the plug as is, but I'm using this as a stencil to trace out where the hole is going to go. Once I've done that, I'm going to drill out the location with a 2-inch hole saw bit. Then I'll install the mounting plate with nuts and bolts, and then put the plug into place and fasten it with the provided mounting screws. Then I'm ready to mount the charger. I'm gonna put this inside the battery compartment, and I'm gonna be fastening it down through some existing holes here in the battery tray. Once it's secure, I just need to plug it in to the back of that NOCO outlet. Then I'm going to route my positive and negative wires over top of the battery to the other side and secure the black to the negative and the red to the positive. With that done, the only thing left to do is to plug it in and give it a try. So I'll plug in my extension cord, and you can see that fan start to spin. And you're also going to get a red flashing light to let you know that it is charging. Alright guys, that is it for how to install our onboard golf cart charger. Now we can charge our golf cart anywhere as long as we have access to an outlet. Now instead of replacing the factory charging port, I decided just to add this one down below it. Now I have both options for charging my cart. Now a quick word of caution, if you are going to do it this way, you would not want to charge from both locations at the same time. That probably would not be the best idea. So just use one of these at a time, never both. I hope this video helped you out, guys. If you have any questions about this process, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, I will have links to all of this stuff in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.